ever thought about what is real happiness? So today I've watched Into the Wild, which answer this question. Welcome to the series of watching one movie daily for next 30 days. So the movie starts by the protagonist Christopher dropped by someone in nowhere. Later we get to know that he is a great student and did his graduation to make his parents happy, and after that his parents asked him to go to a very popular college for further studies, and he agrees to it for the sake of happiness of his parents. But after some time he ran away without telling anyone in search of finding true happiness, which he didn't felt yet. He has so much family trauma because his parents keep arguing and fighting each other every day, which left mark on him. He went on his journey alone, where he met a lot of people, like a couple from whom he took the lift. He enjoyed the time spent with them. When he began his journey, he had thousands of dollars, which could have made his way easier, but he burned them all. After a while, when he had no money left, he worked with some cultivator men for some time. He saw money not as asset, but as restriction, which our mind is bound to care. When he met those couple again, he met with a girl who liked him a lot. He appreciated her emotion and the time they spent together and said, "You are beautiful," and left for his journey again. And this time, he went to the place where the movie started, in nowhere, in isolation, and he started living as a wild. He go for a hunt, eat raw meat, and just be in the moment without any responsibility, any fear, any pressure, without any restrictions. He was writing all his experience in a journal diary. Later, the harsh weather came, the winters, where is nothing to eat, nothing to drink. He starved for several days, and when he was about to die, he wrote his last journal that what is true happiness. And surprisingly, this movie is based on a true story. Damn! If you really want to know the answer that what is real happiness, go and watch yourself to find the answer. And if you have good movie taste, suggest me some movie in the comments and follow for more.
इस बार रिकॉर्ड हो गया कुत्ते।